Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download RuneScape game on your iOS device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download RuneScape game on your iPhone is easy. Open up your App Store and also make sure that your mobile device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in RuneScape and press search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search results. Tap on the Get button right under the RuneScape game, which looks like this, and the download process for the game should begin. Once the application has been downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch Open RuneScape on your mobile device. That is how you can easily download RuneScape right on your iOS device, quick and easy. Now you can start up the application and start enjoying the game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.